Piano chords are a great way to start playing your favourite songs on the piano in a very short space of time. For example, or and these days, you can get the chord sheets for pretty much any song that you want online for free. You can also add simple patterns to chords to make them sound even better. I am going to teach you the fastest and most efficient way to learn all of the piano chords you need to get started. And it's as simple as memorising a few groups of numbers. I know, it sounds hard to believe, doesn't it? Well, before I can tell you the magic formula, first of all, chords can be divided into 4 main types: major, minor, augmented, and diminished. And most songs use a mixture of mainly major and minor chords. So we'll start off with those. Now this is where it gets exciting. You can use the numbers 3 and 2 to find all of the major chords on a piano. For example, let's just say you wanted to find the D major chord, which is symbolised by either a capital D or sometimes a D maj. So what you do, you start off on the D and then you skip 3 white or black keys on the piano. So you go to the right by skipping 1, skipping 2, skipping 3. So then you play the next key up to the right, which this time is a black key, the F sharp. And then you skip 2. So you skip 1, and then you skip 2, and then you play up to the right. And that would give you the D major chord. So you play, skip 3, play, skip 2, play. And you can use that to find any major chord on a piano. We'll do one more. Let's just say you wanted to find a G major chord. So you start off on a G, you skip 3, so 1, skip 2, skip 3, then you go up to the right, because you've skipped 3 out, then you skip 2 out, skip 1, skip 2, go to the right, and that would give you the G major chord. How cool is that? I wish I'd known that when I first started learning piano. And if you want to find a minor chord, you just flip those 2 numbers around. So using a 2 and a 3. For example, let's just say you want to find a C minor chord, which would be symbolised by a C and then a lowercase m or a C min. So you'd play the C, then you skip 2 keys out. So skip 1, skip 2. So that would take you up to the right to the E flat. Then you skip out 3. So you'd go skip 1, skip 2, skip 3, then up to the right again to the G. So that would be your C minor chord. Again, how good is that? And it literally works every single time. Using those 2 formulas, you'll be able to figure out all of the major and minor triad chords, which you'll be able to play thousands of songs with. And there are 12 of each, so 24 in total. So this is a good start. But you still need to remember them whilst you're playing the songs. So what you can then start to do is recognise that the chords have different shapes. For example, the C major could be described as a flat chord because it's only using the white keys. And the D major could be described as a triangle chord because of the black key in the middle. The E flat major could be described as an upside down triangle chord because of the black keys on the outside and the white key in the middle. Then there are a few others which we can call the irregular shapes. For example, the B minor goes up on the right hand side. And I've got a super useful tip that will help you to learn new songs using these techniques even faster. But before I do, you may be interested in my range of online piano courses. So rather than jumping from one random video to the next, these are all step-by-step piano courses designed in bite-sized chunks to get you learning piano super fast. So I've got courses in blues, jazz, ear training, sight reading, as well as my ultimate piano chords course. So if you want to find out more about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Anyway, let's just say that you wanted to learn Every Breath You Take by The Police. What you can do is go through the chords using the formulas and then mark in the chord shapes above the chord symbols to help you to remember the chords whilst you're learning it. And finally, you can quickly find the other two main chord types, like this. For diminished chords, find the minor triad and bring down the far right key by 1/2 step to the left, like this. Or use the formula play, skip 2, play, skip 2, play. And for augmented chords, find the major triad and move the far right key up to the right by 1/2 step. Or use the formula play, skip 3, play, skip 3, play. If you like this video, then check out this one on how you can apply patterns to basic chord progressions to make them sound beautiful. And also, I've got a question for you. Which was the song or piece which made you want to start learning the piano? Which was the one which you thought, I'd love to be able to play that? So let me know in the comments below, because I'd be interested to see your answers. Anyway, don't forget to check out my courses over on my website. I've been Arthur, and thanks for watching.